All right, we'll start with those totals. And Patrice and Dan, this is what we're going to finish up with in a 28 to 38 inch range in that pink zone, which is obviously a large part of the area. And just outside of the zone on the north and eastern side of that, 18 to 24 inches of snow finals. You mentioned the blizzard of 78. As of 7 p.m., the TF Green 2-day storm total at 37.9 inches, 9.3 inches higher than the final tally of the 2.5 days of the blizzard of 78. And some of the largest snowfalls on record. Well, of course, we had to displace the blizzard of 78 to second place now. But the 96 blizzard of 24 inches, the 05, the 2022 blizzard from just 6 years ago at 19.3 inches. I mean, all paling in comparison to that 37.9 inch total, which is likely going to be higher because we picked up more snow between 7 p.m. and about an hour or two ago when the snow finished up at TF Green. Nice to see the roads looking a little bit better here, at least the major roads. The highway here, 195 in Fall River. Our view via Primacare, as I mentioned just a second ago, the last of this blizzard snow is now moving off Cape Cod. Skies cleared, the moon's out across most of the area now with the clear sky and a lighter breeze. It's a little gusty, but we peaked with a 68-mile-an-hour wind gust at TF Green and an 83-mile-an-hour wind gust for Nantucket. So these numbers obviously are a whole lot lower. And your forecast track moving forward, clearing sky continues overnight, dropping into the teens and low 20s as you start your Tuesday. It's a dry day. It's a mostly sunny day on tap for us here on Tuesday with a bit of a northwest breeze and high temperatures right around 30 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Maybe a little bit of snow working into that Wednesday morning forecast. Not a big deal. I have more ahead on that in your 10-day.